Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to connect oxygen to an Ambu bag. This guide will help you understand the critical steps involved in setting up this life-saving device. We'll cover everything from identifying the necessary parts to ensuring a secure and efficient oxygen flow. Proper connection is vital for delivering adequate ventilation, so let's make sure you're confident in every step of this important procedure. Before connecting, gather your essential components: the Ambu bag, oxygen tubing, and an oxygen source, typically a tank or wall outlet. Always perform a quick visual inspection to ensure all parts are clean and undamaged. Check for any cracks or blockages that could compromise performance. Familiarize yourself with the Ambu bag's oxygen inlet port, usually a small, barbed connector located near the reservoir bag. Now, let's connect. First, firmly attach one end of the oxygen tubing to the oxygen source's outlet. Next, take the other end of the tubing and securely push it onto the Ambu bag's oxygen inlet port. Ensure a snug fit to prevent any leaks. Once connected, turn on the oxygen flow to the recommended rate, which is usually between 10 and 15 liters per minute for optimal reservoir bag inflation. After connecting, it's crucial to verify proper function. Observe the reservoir bag. It should inflate and deflate with each squeeze of the Ambu bag, indicating oxygen flow. Listen carefully for any hissing sounds, which could signal a leak in the tubing or connections. Finally, confirm the patient is receiving adequate ventilation and oxygenation, ensuring their chest rises and falls appropriately. Your attention to these details ensures effective respiratory support.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.